What the heck is a good way to add some pizzazz to any of your drawers? Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, Small Workshop Guy. You know, drawers don't have to be just totally plain like this. Here I got a nice slick bottom that's gonna get lacquered. It's gonna be sanded. There's gonna be a false front. It's gonna be beautiful, but it could be better. There's a guy named Matt Jackson. He's a next level carpenter, and he showed me a trick in one of his Patreon videos to add just a little bit of look to a drawer, and I really like it, so that's what this is about. So the idea is for the side of the drawer to, and you want to do this before you make them into drawers, is to just add a little cutout for a little design. I really, really like that. The way I've done this is I've put a bit in my router table that is just a straight bit. It's a pretty large one. Wouldn't have to be large, but I like the radius of this. I believe it's 1 inch, same one I use to flatten my workbench. And I've got that set with the fence 3/8 of an inch deep. Now, I don't think you want to do this freehand, and I don't think you want to do it without a router table, and I don't think you want to do it without some special precautions. And that is to put a fence at the beginning and a fence at the ending, kind of a start-stop fence. So you can take your piece, set the fence where you need it to be, so the bit's gonna come in here where you want it to at the starting point. But the key thing is, when that bit bites, all hell can break loose, particularly when you're dealing with plywood. In this case, I've got Baltic birch. But if that's not well braced against something, it can go bananas. And with it properly braced here, and then this will tell you when you hit the other side. So set these so you get just the amount of bite that you want on here. And then don't just use your bare hands. I don't recommend that. Do something for a little safety. So let me demonstrate. Here's one of my sides. I'm not gonna turn the vacuum cleaner on this time so that, yeah, I probably will. So anyway, I'm gonna take this, I think it's from Microjig. It's a grip block. Got nice holders on the bottom. Got my hand up away from that spinning bit because I don't know about you, but anything that's spinning in my workshop scares the hell out of me. And I just don't wanna take any chances. So watch carefully, and here we go. I've got it braced against this to start. Got it turned on. Got my hands away. And that's how you add some nice looking profile to your drawer sides. Small Workshop Guy, hoping you find this series of what the heck is videos designed for beginners very helpful. Give me a like, help out an old coot with a comment, and give me a subscribe. As I always say, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. Small Workshop Guy, signing off.